Today I will show you how to make colorful paper butterfly. Watch the video. To start, we need a square with a sheet of paper. In my case, I will use one of 10 centimeters per side. We will fold all the sides of the sheet until an asterisk forms in the center. We will fold this two sides inward so that it remains this way. Start. Put in a rounded way to make the wings of the butterfly. Of the sides that have been rounded. Bend the tip that is left backwards. Join the two sides and fold in inside, and we have once this list is finished to be used as decoration in any situation that comes your way.